Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get 1xBet QR code. This is really simple. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next, on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. All you have to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and next you're going to click on the setting icon at the top right. Next, you're going to find out many options. So you are going to click on security settings. So you're just going to click on it, and next you're going to find out all the security options that you can improve and find out the security checklist. Here you're going to see two-factor authentication, what you're just going to click on. And next you're going to find out show QR code section. You're just going to click on show QR code section, and then you're going to see your QR code directly from the 1xBet app. This will enable you to transfer or send or receive money directly from other 1xBet account by QR code, and it is as simple as that.